Tonight, a cautionary tale about the potential dangers of social media. Two men arrested in Montgomery County accused of luring two teens online and sexually assaulting them.
Yeah, this case prompting officials and experts to warn parents about their children's social media use.
Victor Hokopo is live in New Caney tonight, where investigators say those girls were attacked. Victor?
Yeah, we learned from the Montgomery County Sheriff's Office that this whole incident started online. We had read in court documents that we got late in the day today that the conversation between the alleged suspects and the victims was on Snapchat. Eventually, that led to this parking lot behind me here outside New Caney ISD's Randall Reed Football Stadium, where authorities say this incident allegedly happened. The Montgomery County Sheriff's Office says earlier this month, 19-year-old Darville Reginald Allen and 20-year-old Abdul Saleem, both of Kingwood, used Snapchat to talk with two 15-year-olds, ultimately picking them up from their home and taking them to this parking lot. It was here, the Sheriff's Office says, where the men showed a gun and then sexually assaulted the teens in a vehicle. And the two men were arrested and charged with aggravated sexual assaults of a child.
It's important to bring these stories to teens.
Rania Mancarios is the CEO of Crime Stoppers of Houston. She says incidents like this one are tragic, but they do highlight the importance of speaking with children about safe internet use. Teaching that should start early, as young as 5 or 6 years old, and often to help make tough discussions more comfortable.
It's important to start talking to young users about technology and digital connections in a very benign way, because you're also going to need to have very serious and real conversations.
Mancarios says parents should emphasize that unknown contacts online should not be considered friends, even if there's been digital communication for extended periods of time.
When strangers or adults approach a child and say, hey, meet me in this location, that is a huge red flag.
Equipping kids with education about safe internet use, Mancarios says, builds healthy instincts so children can make the right decisions when parents are not there to intervene.
And the greatest gift you can give a predator is an uninformed child. So we don't want to set our kids up for failure.
Now, tonight, it is still not clear, even with those court documents, just how long the alleged victims and the suspects were communicating on Snapchat or other social media platforms prior to this incident, and what the exact direct link is for this stadium, other than this is where it happened. But I did reach out to New Caney ISD. They told me in a statement that they are aware of the investigation and that they are fully cooperating with the Montgomery County Sheriff's Office, but aren't commenting any further as it is ongoing. Now, Crime Stoppers of Houston has lots of resources for parents to be able to begin this conversation with their kids. We have a link to that on our website under this story. Now reporting live in New Caney, Victor Hokopo, KHOU 11 News.
The dangers of social media and the risk. Victor, thank you for the update.